Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
What happens to your body if you eat only meat for 1 month? No vegetables, no fruit, just meat. Let us find out. We will explore 10 major body changes: energy, brain, muscles, heart, gut, kidneys, bones, hormones, weight, and the final verdict. In the first days, your body runs out of carbohydrates. It switches to burning fat for energy, a state called ketosis. Your liver converts fat into ketones, the brain and muscles' new fuel. Many people feel sharper focus and steady energy after adapting. But the first week is rough. Headaches, fatigue, brain fog, the keto flu. This typically lasts 3 to 7 days. Verdict: your body run on meat for energy. Adaptation is uncomfortable, but many feel good after. Partially true. Your brain loves glucose PAUB, but on a meat-only diet, it switches to ketones. Studies show ketones can fuel the brain very efficiently. Meat is rich in creatine, zinc, and B12 that are all critical for brain health. Many report improved memory and reduced mental fatigue after 2 weeks. Without plant antioxidants long-term, brain health may be affected. Research on carnivore diets and cognition is still limited. Verdict: short-term brain performance can improve, but long-term effects are uncertain. Partially true. Promising, not proven. Meat has complete protein with all essential amino acids. On a meat-only diet, protein intake is 3 to 4 times the normal recommendation. High protein accelerates muscle repair and growth. Athletes on carnivore diets report faster recovery, more strength, and less joint inflammation. But excess protein converts to glucose or gets excreted, putting real pressure on your kidneys. There is a limit to how much your body can use. Verdict: meat only is excellent for muscle short-term, but extremely high protein is not for everyone. Mostly true guy, with caution. Eating only meat means a lot of saturated fat. Conventional wisdom says this raises bad LDL cholesterol and harms your heart. But new research is more complex. HDL, good cholesterol light, increases, and triglycerides often drop dramatically on a meat diet. Response varies by genetics, activity level, and meat quality. Processed meats carry far more risk than fresh whole cuts. Verdict: heart risk is not clear-cut. For some people, markers actually improve. Individual testing is essential. Partially true. Your gut microbiome depends on plant fiber. Remove all plants, and within days, gut bacteria diversity drops significantly. Fiber-fermenting bacteria decrease. Protein-digesting bacteria increase. Some people get constipation, others find digestion actually improves. Low gut diversity links to inflammation and weakened immunity. Scientists are still studying long-term adaptation in carnivore guts. Verdict: your gut microbiome will change on a meat-only diet. Diversity decreases noticeably. Duration and individual response determine harm. TRU. Kidneys filter protein waste, urea, and creatinine. On a meat-only diet, they work significantly harder than normal. For people with kidney disease, this diet is genuinely dangerous. For healthy kidneys, research shows they can handle high protein effectively. Your liver processes large fat amounts too. Staying well hydrated is critically important on a meat-only diet to support both organs. Verdict: healthy kidneys and liver can manage short-term with enough water. Pre-existing conditions make this risky. Partially true. Meat creates an acidic environment. To neutralize it, your body may pull calcium from bone's drawer, potentially reducing bone density over time. But meat contains phosphorus, zinc, and magnesium. Bone broth adds calcium and collagen, actively supporting bone health. Surprising fact: fresh meat contains small amounts of vitamin C. The Inuit avoided scurvy by eating fresh, minimally processed meat. Verdict: bone health risk is manageable short-term. Bone broth and organ meats reduce deficiency risk. Partially true. Meat quality matters. Meat contains cholesterol beta, the raw material for hormones like testosterone and cortisol. Many report improved hormonal balance on a carnivore diet. Many people with autoimmune conditions report major inflammation reduction on a meat-only diet. Removing plant lectins and oxalates may explain this. Most evidence is anecdotal. Long-term clinical trials are limited. Individual responses vary enormously. What helps one may worsen another. Verdict: hormone benefits and reduced inflammation are widely reported. Science needs more data. Partially true, very promising but under-researched. In week 1, most people lose 3 to 5 kilograms rapidly. But most of this is water weight from depleted glycogen, not actual fat. Then real fat burning begins through ketosis. High protein keeps you full longer, naturally reducing calories and driving significant fat loss. Insulin levels drop significantly, beneficial for insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. but always get medical supervision before trying this. Verdict: meat only is genuinely effective for weight loss and metabolic improvement. Real fat loss happens. Mostly true, yo. Results vary by individual. After 1 month of only meat, energy is stable, muscles grow, inflammation may reduce trout, but gut diversity drops and micronutrient gaps appear. Good candidates: autoimmune conditions, metabolic disorders, NOT recommended, kidney disease, pregnant women, or growing children. Know your body.
1 month of only meat transforms your metabolism, shifts your gut, changes hormones, and tests your kidneys. It is powerful panned and not simple.
If you enjoyed this like and subscribe for more extreme diet science every week. Your favorite skeleton signing off? Yeah, subscribe, hit the bell, because next video praying, we find out what eating only sugar for a month does to your body.